Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Plug Power ticker Plug. So to get straight into it, what are going to be those key technical levels, support and resistances on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart, because this is how we usually do our technical analysis if you've been watching this channel in the past. So right now we're sitting around 1380. What are key levels kind of closest to this? And that's going to be really statistical mean. You can see at 1444 on the 6-month, that is our statistical mean. And then also at 1478 over on the 1-year is also our statistical mean. So whenever I see this range between the two statistical means, to me this is instantly a level I will never trade off of. And the reason for that is this is considered fair value. If I'm trading strictly off technicals, I don't want to be buying a stock at fair value, maybe unless I'm doing a straddle. But buying the outright shares or trying to short along, it's just going to be very much a gamble coming into that level. So never anything I look to trade, but it will be something I use as a target. If I was holding it short, that would have been my target. If I was holding it long, that would have been a target. So that's just quickly to note. Now, the deviations on this stock are quite wide, and that's mainly because you can see this stock did fall by about 66% from its 52-week high. So looking at that, what are key supports? So if we can break below that 52-week low, which you can be looking at as a level, it will probably have some significance. So if we can break that, what I'm paying attention to from a standard deviation perspective will be around 950. If we can crack that, then I'm looking at 440 or quite a 450. But these are quite far from where we are now, especially that 450. I wouldn't be paying too much attention to that. The 950 can definitely be hitting if the stock continues weak. Between that, I'd also be looking at the $10 because that is a key psychological level. That will probably be quite a big level to be trading off. And then, like we stated, that 52-week low will probably have some significance as well. Now, if we start pushing to the upside, what are key levels to that side? So 1950, this is our first deviation over on the 6-month. And also we have another level at $20. So these are quite close to each other. You can be using these as zones instead of individual levels. But yeah, really coming into this level, if I was holding the stock long, that would be my target. Again, to me, there would be no reason to hold it long to that level. But if you were, that would be a target I'd be looking at. But really what this level I'll be looking at is the first time we hit it, I'm looking at it as a short bias play. Again, looking to play that pullback. Once we're in the money, I buy a bit, I'll move my stop to break even, take a bit of profits just in case it comes back to retest this level, then we can stop out. Because if it comes back to retest this, more than likely it will end up breaking through. So that's why I lock in some profits. If it continues down, cool, we get a home run trade. But if it doesn't, we make a bit of money. We can stop out the rest, break even. And then if it breaks through, then I'm looking for that break, come back to test it as a support. If it can hold, then I'm a bit more bullish on the stock. We'll look to trade it kind of to that next deviation, which will be about $24.40 to about $25. Again, these levels are also quite close. You can be using these as zones if you prefer. If we go higher, I'm also looking at $29.50, $30.50, $34.50, and a final one at $35.50. You can see all the way on Plug, and it does make this stock a bit nicer to trade. I think it'll be a bit more predictable. Is that on kind of all of its deviations, it's very near to another one. So it just makes these levels a bit stronger if I'm looking to trade them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Plug. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.